Hey everybody, it's your girl Makeup Mommy featuring Tisha. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Guess what day it is? Today is hump day. Let's get that booty work in, y'all. Today I got a few killer exercises for you guys to round your booty, tone your booty, get everything in the right spots, in the right area, tone just the way you like it. So if you are interested in how to get your booty more rounder and more toned, continue to watch. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Watch, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you can get notifications of all of my videos, you guys. All right, here we go.